Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to the blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have my TCL TV and today guys I'm going to show you how to set up the switch to on the TCL TV in terms of the HDR settings. Now of course the HDR settings here means the to get the best picture quality, we're going to show you how to adjust the HDR, the high dynamic range. So let's get straight into it. So here I have the switch tool and I'm going to go ahead and power up. Alright guys, so here we are at the main screen. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock. Alright, so here we have the infamous screen. And of course this is the HDR screen. And notice it says Connect TV supports HDR. If you set up HDR, game visual will be enhanced with a vivid color display. So of course the HDR will allow for more vivid colors, but you must do the adjustment or you're gonna have less than perfect picture. All right, so what I found out is that on other TVs such as the Samsung and the LG, it's very difficult to get the HDR setting. It will simply not adjust perfectly. But what I found out with the TCL TVs is that they are perfect for the switch to as it works. All right, so it's able to set up the HDR without problem. All right, so this is what you do. So first of all, go to adjust. So we're gonna go ahead, forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. So we're gonna hit adjust. So let me make sure that we're on adjust. So that's that option there. So we're gonna select the adjust. All right, now of course you can see here and you can see the displayed image. Now this is the trick. You may want to make note of this. It says adjust display until the pattern on the left, meaning this pattern is visible and this one must be invisible. What I've found out is on other TVs, when you adjust one, no matter how much you adjust them, both of them will still be visible. Now on the LG TV, it can actually be fixed. The first thing I recommend is on your switch remote, go ahead and press Y so you can actually see the value. The default value is gonna be 300 and there you can see it, it's 300. Now the trick here is to actually go ahead. Now you can either go up or down. In my experience, we're gonna go up so you can see the 300. So we'll see how far we reach, or in terms of, now it will increase by increments of 10. And of course you can see, remember this so the one on the left must be visible and the pattern on the right, which is this one, must disappear. So keep going and you must make sure according to the room that it's totally disappeared. Now I actually know the value for this TV, so I'm going to speed things up. So it's actually about 980 and that's what I got. And I'll show you it's actually 980. So if you look very carefully, you can see that icon, but you can't see there. If I lower it, like say 970, I can probably still see it a bit. So 970 is not bad. 960, and there we go. So I'm gonna adjust it from here, so around 980. So for me, I can still see it. If you look very carefully from the side, you can still see it faintly. I'm gonna go 960, and at 960, even from the front, I can't see it. So 950 is visible, 40. So 950 still visible, 960 I can barely see it, 970 it's totally gone. So let me try it again. All right, so I'm gonna place it. There we go. Okay, so I would say 970 to be perfect. All right, so at 970 I can't actually see it, so I'm gonna keep it at 970. As I said, around 980, and there you go. So if you look from the front, you can actually see the icon over there, but I can't see the icon over there. All right, so it's now fully adjusted, and what I'm gonna do from here, guys, is to go ahead and press A for OK. So A, sorry about that. Let me adjust it down so it's 970. All right, so I'm gonna select, so keep it at 970. I'm gonna press A for next, and of course here it does some color coding From here, you can mess with the brightness. I suggest that you keep it relatively bright. You can go Y for adjust brightness and X to change image if you want a better image. But in this case, the brightness is okay. We're in a decently lit room, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK. I say display adjustments complete, and shows you can go into display and adjust HDR for future adjustments. And I'm gonna hit OK, and there you go. So as you can see here, everything is okay, and of course it's perfectly fine now. And of course we can see that it's up and running, and that's how to adjust the HDR. And to prove, just in case you missed it, this is a TCL TV. Here you go. So it's a TCL TV, and HDR settings are now perfectly adjusted and fitted for this TV. Unlike other brands, which is much difficult, so Samsung and LG, works perfect for this brand. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.